guys, this is Baker T. Welcome back to my channel. These are the ingredients you will need for the graham cracker parfait, so feel free to pause on this list and grab them. So first you want to use a rolling pin and crush the graham crackers in a Ziploc bag. Then you want to add as much sugar as you want into the yogurt and mix it. Form a base in a glass of the graham cracker crumbs. And then add a few spoons of the yogurt to make another layer. Then you want to add chopped strawberries for another layer and make one more layer of yogurt. Add another spoon of chopped strawberries and finish off what's left of the graham cracker crumbs. Then you want to add your last layer of yogurt and then sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top and add one strawberry in the middle. So here's your parfait. I hope you enjoy it.